Canvas defines the visual space of a video and helps creators control framing, composition, and presentation for professional YouTube AIVO3 content.
CapCut will show you how changing the canvas ratio instantly alters video composition. The same clip switches smoothly between 16:9
by using simple backgrounds like white, soft gray or these dark tones really helps increase clarity.
Warm colors feel friendly and inviting. Cool colors feel calm and professional, while neutral tones support educational and instructional content.
I'm filming vertically here at the market, but watch this. The new Canvas feature fills the empty space perfectly, so it looks great on any screen.
To create this polished appearance, we first ensure proper scaling. Then, we use the alignment features to center.
Extra breathing space around the subject makes the composition feel intentional and clean.
We'll select the gradient option here in the background panel. By choosing a radial style and these soft colors, you can add significant depth to your design. To apply a cinematic blur to the canvas background, just increase the slider here. The main subject remains perfectly sharp, giving us that soft, high-quality look.
A shallow depth of field or blurred background works best in talking head videos to maintain focus on the speaker.
Subtle blur feels professional, while excessive blur becomes distracting.
A distracting background steals focus. Instead, use a shallow depth of field for subtle, supportive context.
First, navigate to the Layers panel and click this lock icon right here. Now, if we try to move the background, you'll see it stays perfectly still.
Explain how canvas layers interact with text and overlays. Clear hierarchy keeps visuals easy to understand.
We are right here in the center of the action. Look at this. The energy here is just unmatched.
To control blur strength, you need to ensure the background surround supports the subject. As you can see, subtle adjustments create
By reducing the background opacity, as you see here, we balance the composition. The foreground remains crisp and visually dominant.
As we add the flare and particle overlays, notice how the layer order here dictates visibility. We can also combine these with effects.
By intentionally shifting the visual canvas.
By changing the background, we guide the flow of the story. These transitions, when handled naturally, help the viewer understand the narrative journey.
Matching canvas aesthetics requires consistency in the AI-generated imagery. This greatly improves the overall perceived quality.
We're testing various canvas styles here. Notice how the foreground elements stay sharp and legible even against this complex nebula pattern.
When the contrast between the background and the subject is low, readability suffers. But by increasing the contrast, we
select the element, then click Add New Preset. We'll call this Vibrant Brand Style. Now you can instantly apply this to any other asset, streamlining your workflow.
Reusing Canvas presets across all your videos is crucial. This level of consistency is what truly strengthens your branding.
Conclude this section by reinforcing that thoughtful canvas and background choices in CapCut elevate AI VO3.
Calm best work best to deliver educational content. But when the mood shifts to cinematic telling,
Gradient positioning affects viewer focus. Light areas naturally guide attention toward the subject.
It's crucial to avoid busy backgrounds to improve viewer retention. When you have simplicity, your message lands much clearer.
Using canvas backgrounds to support long-form videos. Consistent visuals reduce viewer fatigue.
By adjusting the canvas scale instead of cropping, the original footage remains entirely intact, as shown here.
Events. Canvas automatically preserves image quality when changing aspect ratios. Even when moving to a wider format like 16:9,
The key to a great slideshow is organization. By utilizing these canvas backgrounds, your images are seamlessly connected.
Explain how Canvas unifies different clips into one visual style. Consistency strengthens storytelling.
To ensure visual continuity, we simulate the canvas across multiple scenes. The design remains consistent.
To align these professionally, we select them all, center the alignment, and then distribute the spacing evenly across the canvas.
We use the canvas for the outro and call to action scenes. This makes the ending feel intentional and professional. The importance of final canvas checks. Small framing or color issues corrected early improve overall video quality.
Select the objects, then open the Alignment and Distribution panel. Now, simply click Align Centers and Distribute Horizontally to restore balance.
First, use the Distribute tool to even out the gaps. Then, adjust the canvas padding to ensure everything is centered. Avoid color clashes between your background and footage. Harmonized colors improve comfort and clarity.
To duplicate your canvas settings, simply copy them from the design panel. Then, paste them onto multiple videos in your library, ensuring total brand consistency.
We organize the canvas styles by content type. As you can see, the workflow is highly structured. Let's look closer at the blog layouts.
Canvas simplicity enhances the focus on narration. The story truly remains central.
Canvas choices significantly influence first impressions. Notice how professional framing instantly builds trust and conveys quality.
As you can see, mastering the canvas and background options completes the workflow, giving you total visual control. It's so intuitive.
Expert use of canvas and background in CapCut empowers creators to deliver clean, cinematic, professional YouTube AI Veo 3 videos